Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Tesla rim rash. First, assess the damage to determine the best repair method for your specific wheel. Gather your tools, including fine grit sandpaper, a suitable filler, and matching paint. Proper preparation is absolutely key for a lasting repair, so ensure you have everything ready before starting the process. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the affected rim area with a good degreaser to remove all dirt and grime. Next, carefully use fine grit sandpaper, like 220 grit, to smooth out any rough edges or raised sections of the rash. Finally, meticulously mask off the tire and any adjacent painted surfaces to protect them from the repair materials. Once prepped, apply a small amount of automotive body filler to the damaged area, ensuring it's slightly overfilled. Let the filler dry completely, which usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes. Then, sand it smooth with progressively finer sandpaper, such as 400 grit. Finally, apply several thin, even coats of color-matched paint, allowing drying time between each. To complete the repair, apply a clear coat over the painted area. This adds a protective layer and restores the original shine. Allow all the layers, from filler to clear coat, to cure fully for at least 24 hours before driving. Regular cleaning and inspection of your wheels will help prevent future rim rash and keep them looking great.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.